Hello guys, today we're gonna make full meal in an air fry. Now I have chicken breast. I'm using chicken breast. You can use any chicken that you want. I already caught it with salt. Now add some onions, capsicums. Now some seasoning. Black pepper, garlic powder. Add some onion powder as well. Some red chilies, paprika powder. That's it. Now I am giving us everything a good mix. I'm gonna air fry this for just 15 minutes. Add some lemon juice all over the chicken. Now our meal is full ready. Check it out. It's fully cooked and tender inside.